In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the lower rearward control arm on this Audi A4. This is going to be located on the passenger or driver's side, the rear, behind the tire. Let's get into it. Take the center cap off, use the tool from the trunk, just go in the hole right there, pull that off. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. I'm going to hold the wheel on, take the last bolt out, just so it doesn't fall. Then grab the tire, slide it off. Underneath here, I'm just using a pull jack. We're just going to support under the control arm. Right there. That's good. You could support something over here if you want to. Using an 18mm wrench on the back side here, there's a nut. Then using an 18mm socket over here, take this bolt out. Bolt out. Just using a pry bar. Just pry this out. And just to prevent the control arm from shifting, I'm just going to take the bolt and just slide that back through. If you need to, you can raise up or lower the control arm. Using a 18mm wrench, 18mm socket, take this bolt out. Take this out. We're going to need to lower the pull jack. I'm just going to move it over here. We're going to need to raise it up right here. Just be careful. All right, just make sure that's good. I'm going to take a punch. Just hammer this bolt out. Just hammer that back. Going to go to about where the axle is. And that's enough. We don't have to take it out completely. And just pry this out. There we go. Take this side, slide this in place. This is the flat side versus the curved side. Slide this in. I just lowered the pull jack just to have some more room. You might have to wiggle it back and forth a little. Get that lined up. Take a smaller hammer. Just use a pry bar. Just push it in. And you take the washer and the nut. Get that started. Before we tighten that up, just gonna move over here. Just gonna put the pull jack underneath. Support the lower control arm. We'll just take this bolt out. Line that up. Bolt in. There we go. Get that bolt lined up. Lower the pull jack. Put the nut on the back side. Now with the pull jack, I'm going to raise this up as close to ride height as possible. It would be ideal if you put the tire on and you torque these down while it's on the ground, but that's not that easy. So just raise it up a little bit. Snug that down first. Looks good. Do the same on this one. It's suggested that you replace the bolts when you do this job, and then you want to torque these to 62 foot-pounds and then go an additional 90 degrees. Do the same on this one with a new bolt and nut, 62 foot-pounds and 90 degrees. And you can lower the pull jack. And put the wheel on and make sure you do an alignment. Take the wheel, slide it on, get it lined up. Put one of the lug bolts in. Snug that down, then you can let go of the wheel. And put the other ones in. And snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. The center cap, where the hole is, you want that lined up with the valve stem. Tap it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.